New day, new exercise. So today we will be loading a web page of the best films by using the web as a get data in Power BI. So this is our blank Power BI, right? So what we need to do, create a Power BI desktop and get the list of top 1000 films of all time as rated by They Shoot Pictures, Don't They? You can find the link you need in this page, right? So this is our file and it's saying that you can find the link. So list of the link this. Yep. So this is the Excel where we have the links, I guess. So okay, so these are directly the table and it's saying that choose the option here as web. So I will go click here, I will click on the web, and then I think they have not provided us the URL. So let's just do one thing. I will just copy this. I will paste it in here and I will click here. Instead of this, I will choose this, right? The 1000 great films, as in the list of 1000 films, right? So this is the table. What I will do, I will just copy this link and I will go in my Power BI. I will paste it here and I will click OK and let it load. So I will click OK here. So it's getting loaded now. See, now it will give us a table from the website only. So let it load. So here, this is the table. This is table one, and we will see the preview how it looks like. Now in this, you can see that the column one, column two is mentioned here. So what we will do, we will transform this data and we will make our first row as header so that we will get a good naming for all of these. So I will go here and click use first row as header. Now you can see that I'm getting accurate values. I will just click here, close and apply. And now this is okay. And after doing this, we will be creating one table like this. Top 1000 films, pro, title, director and minutes, right? So let it load. I will be putting one table here with the pros, title, and director and minutes, right? Instead of sum, we will take it as don't summarize. And yeah, you can see the value now for Citizen Kane Well Orson 119. So this is how you can get a data from a website. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.